Hi, my name is Merel and I'm coming here at Theo's because it's getting winter and if it's getting darker, I want my hair lighter.
Lighter of color.
Yeah.
Will you turn so you can see how your hair is?
Of course.
And on your name you can see all the videos. It was a very extreme ABAP. So first try to get the colors out of your hair.
If it's possible.
We see where we're ending. Hello friends on YouTube. Merel is back. Now she wants a lighter color for winter time. So there are a lot of extreme colors in her hair. So first going to work with a Lume Clean and Clear. Combination of that. Try to get out the synthetic colors and then going to get out the normal colors. But start with product to get the synthetics out. And that doesn't damage the hair, so that's the best way to get them out. Lay a towel also on top so you can drop on it and smash it in her hair. Klinkt goed, hè?
Ja, het klinkt heel lekker.
A clear product. This breaks down the colors. Normally you can also get colors with it, out of it, and reduce the height of the color so you can bring the lighter, and so it is more weak but still a good color. This apply on the hairs. It's a watery product, so I put it only on the parts where still some color left. And this I let work in and then going to bleach the hair. I have all these slippery products on my hair. It smells like something very soft. It's not a hard thing, there's no ammonia in it. So it's just gentle for the hairs. But what I told you, it takes away the hardness of the colors. Nothing more than that, but then I can bleach it again. So I leave this in for 20 minutes, then rinse it out and then we're back for coloring with the hard cape. And don't cover this up and leave it the way it is, so we'll be back. Okay, after 25 minutes we rinse it out. Now you see there's a lot of color out of the hairs, it's still a towel wet. Split the hairs over the center line and clip them up. Major bleach on black base, black bleach, and on 3% base. And I'm gonna work with hard cape. Yeah.
Wat een mooie harde cape.
Yeah. Take a little bit gel, glue it on the hard cape. Then take my plastic foil and glue it on the gel, so I have a base to work on. Take every time about a centimeter hair, and after 2 centimeters I put the plastic foil, so I don't have too much bleach on the hairs. Because it's a cold bleach, I can put it all over the length. En lay it on the hard cape.
Wat is het verschil dan?
Wat?
Tussen koude bleek en normale bleek?
Nou, je hebt ook bleekproducten die heel erg warm worden. En dan krijg je zo'n hete laag ertussen en dan gaat je haar van beschadigen. En dat is niet de bedoeling.
En die mag je dan niet zo op de hardcape leggen?
Jawel, maar je kunt hem niet zonder plasticjes ertussen doen. Dan krijg je te veel blondering bij elkaar en dan krijg je dat je haar gaat koken. And the nice thing of the black bleach is it reduces, especially on red colors, the color very easy. So after this layer, I lay plastic foil And then start on a new line. And so we'll do all her hair. So now all the bleach is on her hair. What I told you, it's a cold bleach, so it doesn't heat up. Go to a last plastic foil.
Ben ik nu een mooie bonbon?
Yeah. Close this up. So take it free from the hard cape. Knot it. Then I'm gonna wait, and afterwards I'll tell you how long it took to get into the light lines. And then we're going to decide which color it's gonna be. So don't go away. We'll be back.
Ik voel me echt nu zo'n ingepakt snoepje.
Nou, dat ben je ook. So, okay, after 30 minutes we rinsed out the bleach. And now we're gonna apply a color on our hair, because the hairs look, of course, in different shades. But you see how hard it is to get the colors out of the hair sometimes. And we don't want to damage the hair, so because it was bleached before, and that's why the colors are deep in. So I made her a color on conditioner base. It's 749 of Lakme, and it's a real copper color. And with this we cover up the colors. Wat sta je bedoeld?
Dat was mijn bril.
I think the ends of the hair will be a little bit brownish, but that's not a problem because it suits the copper colors. And also this is on conditioner base, of course. And apply this with 3% as stand volume. Now I've got all the copper colors on my hair. You see in the ends it will develop a little bit more brownish, but we see what's happening. The rest will be certainly nice copper orange. We leave it this way, waiting for 25 minutes, back when we rinse it out. We're back from coloring. I go back to the first product I put on the hairs, conditioner spray. To get the color for the next time, even in a better shape, is I give her Mangala. And that's a copper for at home. And she can put it into the hairs and then leave it for half hour and rinse it out. But the conditioner will make her hair even more beautiful. Boom, boom, boom. Comb my hair over the center of the scalp. Lay it to the back. Now it was a very heavy A-bob, so that we're going to reduce a bit. Part hairs on the skull bone. Set the hairs on top. Take both sides and start to bring them on the line of cutting in the center. I reduce the lines of the sides into the line that I have in the center. And from there I take a little bit off so I get the A-bob again. So on the center line I take the hairs up, twist them over to the other side, get in and get out on both sides. So first I lay some line in it, then I go to the center line once again, take it high up, and use her shoulders as a guide. do this cut with hot rays of ergo. So I have sealed ends and a better condition of the hairs. So now I reduces my A a bit. So I have still a little bit of A, but not too much. What I told you is that the length will be a bit brownish, so you can see this. Take this on the line of cutting to the center line and follow the line.
Maar hij heeft de ene keer zin in normale conditionen en de andere keer dus zoiets van fuck jouw conditioner.
Ja.
Je gaat niet.
Ik wil jou niet.
Ik wil jou niet, dus dan moet de leave-in conditioner maken.
Ja. Talking in Dutch about the conditioners of her hair. Her hair wants every time a different conditioner, so she has to adopt what the hair tells her. So one time you have a leave-in conditioner, the next time you have a conditioner you rinse out. It's every time she looks for the right conditioner for her hair.
Oh, yeah, and sometimes you get even with a nice collection of stuff in your house.
Yeah. I have all the brands.
Well, at least I've tried a lot.
Yeah. So I connect all the lines. Take both sides to the center line. Watch if they're the same length, and they are. Go in and soften the line a bit. Because she has a lot of hair. So now I still have A, but a soft A. Not that hard as it was. Go in front. Watch what we created the last time. Gently go over the line. En net als hij ook al ligt, ik kon hem beneden moeten.
Ja, het zou wel stom zijn, hè?
Ja.
Zou je die niet gewoon verstopt zetten vanwege de regen?
Geen idee, dus hierboven. Oh, die is ook leuk toch?
De vorige keer dat ik hierboven naar de wc ging, toen hoorde ik de leiding wel lekker borrelen.
Ja, dat doen ze altijd.
Lekker borrelen.
Okay, now so far the cut, so now I can dry her hair. Dat gaat wel lekker snel, hè? Wat zullen we nemen voor lekker spulletje? Kun je iets krullen doen, hè?
Ja, gewoon een beetje van natuurlijke golven, een beetje de natuurlijke krullies erin houden. Zo.
She has a little bit wavy hair, so I want to create that out of the hair. So I take a curl product, Divine Curl Cream. It's a product of Glint. This strongest the natural wavy effect of the hairs.
Snoepjes.
Yeah, it smells really soft. And I'm going to dry this with a light diffuser. Oranje is wel een mooie kleur. Well, blow drying. I think mostly on curly hair I use a clay in combination with a wax. This I spread all over my hands. Applying this on the hairs. To get out even more curly effect.
Als we er zin in hebben.
Nou, we doen het wel. Kijk maar. Ja, die zijvlakjes, die zijn zo eigenwijze dingen.
Ja.
Okay, this is a new hairstyle, new color for Merel. We see each other in the next video. She will turn around to show you the end result. Op zich de kleuren mooi hoor.
Hi, my name is Merel and I'm coming here at Theo's because it's getting winter and if it's getting darker, I want my hair lighter.
Lighter of color.
Yeah.
Will you turn so you can see how your hair is?
Of course.
And on your name you can see all the videos. It was a very extreme ABAP. So first try to get the colors out of your hair.
If it's possible.
We see where we're ending.